Let me start with a quiet truth. Most people don't ruin their glasses suddenly. They ruin them slowly. Every wipe, every shortcut, every time they clean in a hurry, and the damage doesn't announce itself. It shows up later. Think about how you usually clean your glasses. Your shirt, a tissue, a napkin, anything nearby. It feels harmless. But those quick wipes are the reason your lenses never look clear anymore. Dirty glasses are more than an annoyance. They cause eye strain. They trigger headaches. They make good lenses feel useless. And when lenses start to fight your eyes, vision becomes work. Here's what most people don't realize. Dust on a lens is not soft, it's abrasive. And rubbing it with fabric doesn't clean the lens. It scratches it. Slowly, silently, permanently. That's why the method matters. Not just the intention. The safest way to clean your glasses is with lens wipes or liquid lens cleaner made for lenses. Nothing else. Lens wipes are designed for one purpose: to lift oil, to remove fingerprints, to trap dust without scratching, without damaging coatings. One wipe. Gentle motion. No pressure. Liquid lens cleaner works the same way. A small spray on the lens, a clean microfiber cloth. Soft strokes. Let the liquid do the work. Your hands should not. This is important. Do not spray cleaner directly into the frame joints. Spray lightly on the lens surface only. Excess liquid damages frames over time. Now let's talk about microfiber cloths. A microfiber cloth is only safe when it is clean. A dirty cloth is just a soft scratcher. Wash it regularly. Replace it when it feels rough. Your lenses depend on it. Another habit that quietly destroys glasses? Cleaning lenses while they're dry. If there's visible dust, use a lens wipe first. Dry rubbing causes damage. And please hear this clearly. Never use shirts, tissues, paper towels, alcohol, hand sanitizer, household cleaners. They feel effective. They are destructive. They strip coatings and leave permanent marks. If your lenses now have glare, cloudiness, or rainbow reflections, that's not dirt, that's damage. And damage cannot be wiped away. But here's the good news. When you clean your glasses properly, they last longer. Vision feels easier. Your eyes relax, and clarity stays consistent. Clean glasses are not about appearance. They are about comfort. They are about protecting your vision investment. If you wear glasses daily, treat them like a medical device, because they are. I'll leave you with this. Clear vision should never require force. If you have to fight your lenses, change how you clean them. Lens wipes, lens cleaner, microfiber cloth. Nothing more, nothing less. If this helped you, share it with someone who wipes their glasses on their shirt. Their lenses will last longer, and their eyes will thank you. See well.